right, guys, El Patronn here, and we got Mr. My Car Guy Rowe.
Hey, what's going on, El Patronn?
What up, brother?
We're in the zone. I'm so excited about this conference that's going to be going on, Automotive Game Changer.
That's right.
What's that all about?
Well, basically, what it is about is that I have the blueprint, okay? I have figured out the blueprint how to take a dealership from 100 cars to 200 cars to 300 to 400 cars.
Okay.
Most people don't have that blueprint. So instead of you adding more budget, let's say for your campaigns, you really need more people.
Right.
So I have figured out a system that works, the process, right? It's people, process, product.
Yeah.
And I have figured out what it is that it takes to your store to the next level, and we're going to talk about that in the conference.
So basically, right now, all you need to do is just log on to that website right on the bottom of your screen and get your seat, get your tickets, and get to this conference right away, right now.